I am Anshika Mishra and today I am going to tell you the basics of trigonometry. First of all, I will tell you from where the word trigonometry has been derived. Trigonometry has been derived from the Greek word. Trigonometry is made from two Greek words, that is trigonon and metron. Trigonon means triangle and metron means measure. It is the branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between the length of their sides and angle between those sides. If one angle of the triangle is 90 degree and the other angle is known, the third is thereby fixed. As we know the property of a triangle, the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree. Now let's do the side ratios which can be determined by the trigonometric ratios. Basically there are 6 types of trigonometric ratios, that are sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A and cot A. I'll tell you all these ratios by taking one example. Let's take a right angle triangle A, B, C, and this is angle A. The length of AC is B, which is known as base of a triangle. The length of BC is A, which is known as perpendicular. The length of AB is C, which is known as hypotenuse. Now, from this figure, we'll derive all the trigonometric ratios. First, we'll talk about the sine function. Sin A equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. From figure we can see that perpendicular equals to A and hypotenuse equals to C. So therefore the sin A equals to A by C. In the same way we can determine cos A ratio, which is equals to base upon hypotenuse. From figure we can see that base is equals to B and hypotenuse equals to C. So cos A equals to B by C. Now I am going to derive the third trigonometric ratio, that is tan A. Tan A equals to perpendicular upon base. That is A by B. Tan A is also equals to sin A upon cos A. We can see that sin A equals to A by C and cos A equals to B by C. Therefore, it is A by B. The same answer, the same ratio. So therefore, tan A is equals to sin A upon cos A. Now we'll talk about the reciprocal ratios of all these three basic trigonometric ratios. The reciprocal of sin A is equals to 1 by cosec A. That is, cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A. Cosec A is equals to C by A, since it is a reciprocal of sin A. Now we'll talk about the sec A. Sec A is equals to 1 upon cos A. It is reciprocal of cos A. The value of sec A will be C by B. And the reciprocal of tan A is equals to 1 by cot A, or cot A equals to 1 by tan A. Cot A is equals to B by A. All these are the basic trigonometric ratios. So all this was the basic of the trigonometry. Thank you very much.